And your forecast. Still more rain. Details coming up.
Pam, I trust you will handle the situation.
This is happening. It'll get crazy press. Don't worry. We got it covered. Gather the team. Got it. Wait! Go. The way I see it, we have only one option. We're gonna change the weather.
We can do that. You have experience with this, right?
I dabble.
What about you guys?
I'll sprinkle fairy dust all over.
Amplify the negative carbon atoms and decrease the atmospheric temperature to 273 degrees Kelvin.
I could just blow the weather south.
Hey, yo, sweetie. You just want me to whack this weatherman?
That won't be necessary.
But Pamela, we mustn't change the weather. The rain is a natural cycle of life. It allows for all things to grow, for impurities to...
Okay, get out.
I never liked that bitch.
Make it happen.
Yes, Mr. Mayor, I understand. So what are you wearing?
So, where are we with the press?
Why don't we just send a few emails and a press release?
Why don't we go take a walk?
And those storms have cleared. A surprising forecast. Sunny with a high of 78.
Did you see the news? Our campaign is a huge success. I don't know how you do it, Pamela. It's almost like some kind of magic.
Takes years of experience. And having the right team.